Hi, in front of me I have Realme 6S and I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard language on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen. Here let's scroll down and tap on the settings icon. Once in settings, scroll down and select additional settings. Here let's select keyboard and input method. Then tap on Gboard. Here tap on languages. Now we need to tap on add keyboard. And this will open the list of languages. Now we can scroll down and find the language we want to use. For example, let's select Arabic. Here you can select the region, for example Egypt. Right here you can select the keyboard layout at the top, and once you're done, tap done. Now we have two languages on the list. We can tap right here on the edit icon in the top right corner and select, for example, English, and remove it by tapping the bin icon to make the Arabic one a default one. So let's open something we can write in, and as you can see, the keyboard is in Arabic. Now we can also go back to the settings right here, add the English back. So let's find the English US, tap done, and now we have two languages, and I'm gonna show you how to quickly switch between them. So let's open something we can write in. As you can see, the keyboard is in Arabic, and now to change the language, just press and hold on the spacebar. This list will appear, and now we can tap on English to change the language, and again you can tap on Arabic to select the Arabic. You can also tap on language settings right here to get to this menu. And that's how you change the keyboard language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.